If you're a YouTube TV subscriber and you're trying to watch SEC Network Plus, but you have no idea where to find it, don't worry, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check your YouTube TV subscription. First things first, make sure you have an active subscription to YouTube TV. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that gives you access to a wide range of channels. And yes, SEC Network is already included in the base package. So if you're already subscribed, you're good to go. Step 2. Download the ESPN app. Now here's the key thing to understand. SEC Network Plus is not a regular TV channel. It's only available through the ESPN app. So go ahead and download and install the ESPN app on your preferred device, whether that's your smartphone, tablet, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Smart TV. Step 3. Launch the ESPN app. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the ESPN app on your streaming device. Step 4. Log in with your YouTube TV credentials. Now you'll need to sign in. Tap on Sign In, select TV provider, scroll down and choose YouTube TV, then log in using the Google account that's linked to your YouTube TV subscription. This step is what unlocks the extra content. Step 5. Navigate to SEC Network Plus. Once you're logged in, head over to the Watch section inside the ESPN app. From there, search for your game or event and look for anything labeled SECN Plus or SEC Network Plus. These are the extra streams that go beyond what's on the regular SEC Network channel. Step 6. Enjoy your content. And that's it. You now have full access to SEC Network Plus and can start watching games and exclusive content right away. A couple of quick things to keep in mind. SEC Network Plus is included with your YouTube TV subscription at no extra cost, so you do not need a separate ESPN Plus subscription to access it. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best streaming experience. And just a heads up, some games may have regional blackout restrictions depending on your location, so check for that if a game isn't showing up. By following these steps, you can enjoy all the SEC Network Plus content as part of your YouTube TV package, no extra subscription needed. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.